All right, welcome to Social Studies. This week we are going to talk about state symbols after we've talked about a lot of things with our government, and you're going to have a chance to design your own state symbol. We're going to talk about flags. So there is a new law that was passed in Utah because it's been 125 years since Utah became a state. So to celebrate, they passed a law that gives permission to allow for a commemorative flag to be flown under the original Utah flag. So, and that flag is celebrating that Utah is, as we said, 125 years old. So, you can see at the right, this top flag right here, this is the Utah state flag, and this down here is the new Utah commemorative flag. So, and they also talked about maybe creating a new state flag. So, that's something you're going to think about at the end. So, on this page, what they're asking you to do is to go to this website, and if you just click on it, remember if you're in present mode, that should work great, to learn about the symbolism of the Utah state flag. And you're going to talk about, well, what does the beehive represent? And this seagull lily. And 1847, what is that about? And why do we have an eagle on our flag? And why do we have the U.S. flag there? And what does 1896 symbolize? So you're going to go to that website, and you're just going to put a quick explanation in each of those boxes. On the next page, this is the commemorative flag. And so again, there's another website that you're going to visit to learn about the symbolism there. And you're going to discover, well, why the beehive? What's the crisscross design? And on the background, this blue and red kind of this thing going on right here. So what's that about? And what about the star? What does that symbolize? And why blue? And why white? And why red? And then the last page, you get a chance to design your own state flag. What do you think the new state flag should look like? And why do you think that? So your design goes in the box, and then you're going to type your explanation of why did you choose that, and why should this the new flag task force pick your flag. And that is your work for this week. Not as much as we've had in the past weeks, so I'm looking forward to seeing your flags.